given this day of February 29th, day of February, year 2012, signed by El Casiple Vice President, Sally Pabres,
Ikaw na dyan, ma'am.
our FYDP guide, and Raul Vincent Lumapa, sir, organized.
Sir, joke to sa libet po ninyo? Oh, thank you! Thank you, touch to. So, what's a man? Speech, ma'am. Ano ka mag-speech to? Kailangan ko mag-speech?
Oo, kailangan mo.
Hindi na naman kinanaw. Magpa-picture na lang ako. May din na mag-speech.
Mag-speech, ma'am. Speech, ma'am. Go, ma'am.
Ulaw kayo. Ulaw kayo. Tanggalan
Thank you for the paper.
Sige na, ma'am. Thank you sa papel.
Mawadaan mo na great petong live estudyante.
Thank you sa humot nga papel.
Salamat kayo sa papel. Feeling na ako this will be the last award that I will receive after this event. Kaya wala na yung respeto mo. Nagwawala ako dito sa Kaloy. Anyway, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And wala, thank you. I did not expect this. And wala, thank you. Yun lang. Thank you, dear class.
Welcome, ma'am.